Happy Saturday, guys. Happy Saturday. I'm going to go around and show some of the projects I probably need to work on. This is a mower I just got. Wasn't that bad. We'll go up and take a tour around. Ash, come on. Come on, dog. Good boy. I don't have any wipers, so you're going to have to look through this beaded glass. There's a Rain-X on it, but you got to do like 50 miles per hour for that to work. That's a UD, it needs the belt. We're gonna go down here, turn around, and head back up. That's where I left the Detroit. It's another hunk. Yukon. Coop, coop, coop. Coop, coop, coop. All right, enough of birds. Kind of slick when I put it in the four-wheel. Four high on wheel. Let's stop here. Oh, hold on. This here's the Chevy 354 speed ramp truck. As you can see, there's no cab. Not sure what I'm going to do with this. find a body, find a diesel or something, put in it. So I'm not going to keep that 350 in it. We'll move on down to the next project. So this is the spot of the future shop. We're gonna do a hoop house over here. So you see it's nice and clean. Oh. This here's the 69 1200. It's all there. Get this thing going, it's gonna need I gotta put a starter in it if I remember correctly. She runs. Probably push it down the hill and start it. Some icy's been in here. Oh, sweet, road flares. What else is in here? Spare belts, spare jack. Red shit. Alright, on to the other projects. This is the one I want to get next. My Willie's pickup. Let's see how it is underneath. Oh boy. So we got some ice up here. Now the carburetor's covered, so that's good. That runs and drives too. I think I'm going to put the original carburetor back on there. Maybe we'll do that later today if the weather holds out. And this is the 65 Ford. I have not started that or ran it yet. I think it also needs a starter. Well, here's the projects. Which one should we do first? There's plenty of them. There's a Scout over there. And I believe we have another Scout coming to the family also.